A 4.10% rise in XRP is expected by tomorrow, based on crypto predictions metrics. But first, let's take a closer look at what's happening in the market. As we speak, XRP has gone down 6.20% and is sitting around $1.7579. Let's roll into today's forecast series. 30 Rates predicts a move down to $1.6935 by January 31. That's roughly 3.60% lower than now. Traders Union sees a path for XRP to reach $1.7494, implying a move down of 0.50%. Digital coin price highlights the outlook for reaching $1.7793, a potential gain of 1.20%. Another forecast by Crypto Predictions expects XRP might lift to $1.83, a potential gain of 4.10%. To conclude, Coin Dataflow targets $1.88 by tomorrow with 7% upside. This one holds the top earning potential. We've gone over 5 calls for tomorrow. Let's keep moving. Now let's take a step into what each forecast might deliver. Based on the forecast examined today, the expected price variation could be from a drop of 3.60% to a gain of 7%, depending on the analyst. That means Coin Dataflow is set to achieve the highest return with 7% rise in value by January 31. In short, you could see a return of between $5 and $70 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering market volatility, Traders Union's forecast leads with an 87.10% probability of success. From the complete set of 5 forecasts, I've created a shared projection. Consensus estimates place XRP at around $1.7864. Let's take a look at the numbers. The consensus forecast shows a possible price increase of 1.60% by tomorrow. Simply put, your capital could also expand by around 1.60% as a reflection of that change. A 1,000 example position could imply a possible $16 return. And in practical terms, this consensus forecast carries a likelihood of 79.60%. At this point in the analysis, let's review the 3-day forecasts. 30 Rates suggests XRP will retreat from current levels. Additionally, Traders Union highlights a bearish short-term picture. A positive outlook is shared by Digital Coin Price, pointing to more gains. Meanwhile, Crypto Predictions expects XRP to rise over the next few days. Also, Coin Dataflow suggests the market will keep pressing upward. By combining analyst projections, the consensus underscores an upward bias for XRP in the short-term picture. Looking at the combined set of forecasts, the majority position indicates XRP may gain ground in the short term. 5 forecasts appeared 2 days back. Today we look at them in detail. Ultimately, yesterday's trading ended at $1.8073. Out of all 5, only 2 aligned with the actual direction. Crypto Predictions produced the most correct forecast. Now for a clear breakdown. All 5 forecasts were outside the candle's limits. Speaking of ROI, some predictions turned profitable, but Crypto Predictions topped the list. Up next is the performance table. See how the forecasts actually played out. In comparison, CoinLore was assigned a forecast probability of 4%, $0.3327 in accuracy, and minus 6.50% ROI. Take a closer look and see who seems to be performing best in this set. Let's take a look at how tomorrow's projected performance in percentage terms compares for XRP and the others. XRP isn't leading this time as the top spot goes to Ethereum with a forecasted return of 558%. For now, we're comparing XRP with 4 randomly picked cryptocurrencies. The full profitability comparison and analyst statistics will soon be available on my website and Telegram. Before you go, hit like and subscribe if you want to save hours of research and stay updated on analysts' forecasts in one place. See you in the next comparison.